In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to stream your OBS studio on your Zoom or Zoom meeting. Just follow me to do it. First of all, go to your OBS studio and add your audio and video sources. Now, under controls, click on Start Virtual Camera. This will start your OBS studio virtual camera. Now go to your Zoom and from Zoom, click on the settings. Select here video and effects, and here select the camera tab and click on this camera drop down. Select OBS virtual camera, and once you selected OBS virtual camera, now your OBS all sources will live stream on your Zoom just like this. Now just close these settings and let's start a new meeting. And here, as you can see, I've successfully started to stream my OBS studio on my Zoom meeting. So that's it for now.